What's up, LEGO fans? GDP Built here. This is the way. Thanks for checking out this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Hit that bell icon so you never miss a video. And yeah, today's show-off video is the LEGO Technic NASA Mars Rover Perseverance set number 42158. It's got 1,132 pieces. Came out 2023. It's still available, obviously. Now let me be clear. This is not mine, so I gotta be careful with this one. This is my roommate's. It's not mine. It's my roommate's. Ready for your mission to Mars. It's time to go. It's time to rebuild a replica model of NASA's Mars Perseverance rover and its compatible helicopter. Ingenuity? I don't know how to pronounce it. Ingenuity. Kind of a weird name. Perseverance is okay, but the helicopter could have done with a better name, in my opinion. Check out the articulated suspension that lets the rover travel across uneven surfaces on all 6 wheels, and try the advanced 2-mode steering and move the rover's arm. Explore further with the AR app that reveals details about the Mars rover and its mission, which I do not have, and I don't think he got. So, it's really nice. It's a nice little set. Okay, so this, moves the wheels. Also, it could turn weird. Oh, nice. Okay. Oh, and twisting it. Really should have got him to show me how it's done here. I think I messed up the gears. Because now it doesn't... Okay. Straight on. It is definitely interesting on how they made this thing. That's for sure. Obviously, you got the little camera up here. I think it's supposed to be clicked down more, but yeah. Go. That tilts, swivels. Obviously, the suspension. Definitely an interesting suspension. Oh yeah. Okay, so the gears. Okay, so thought. Those ones don't actually have. Got little turning points on the back here, so that's what makes it raise and lower and swivels. Definitely interesting. He's definitely going to be laughing at this video. Even I'm laughing. Just trying to show his play features off here, and put this back. And I'll show the little helicopter. There's the back of it. See, these are what you're turning on. Don't think that does anything. All the reflective stickers. There's the bottom of it. Where all the sorry, there's the bottom of it. Top. Well, there's Perseverance. Now here's the little helicopter. Now the blades will spin. Just a neat little design for the helicopter. The only play feature is just the spinning part of the helicopter. Got reflective tape on the bottom and top to resemble the solar panels and scanners. Heard not long ago that this little thing is done its mission on Mars because it can no longer fly. I just find that a little bit fun to play with. Yeah. So, I know he enjoyed building it, and it's such an awesome set. I think he would recommend it. Of course, I would recommend it. But I don't plan on buying it myself. He's into the whole space thing. Our human space thing. I'm into the Star Wars, the Marvel, the city, obviously. Yeah, so that's the end of this. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell icon so you never miss a video. See you guys all in the next video. And I do post daily, just so you know. And yeah, watch out for yourself. Watch out for each other out there. Be safe. Everyone, please be safe. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next video, LEGO fans. GDP Builds. This is the way.